Hi, my name is Tyler Allen. I'm here at the Marc School of Woodworking, and yesterday, September 20th, 2022, I received the John Coolidge Student of the Year Award during the instructor presentation here. Receiving this award means more than I can put into words. I have been the intern here for a total of about 3 months now. I'm coming up on my last week of the internship, and the amount of takeaways that I have from just experiencing this place and from getting to be around these people, getting to be around Marc, getting to be around Susie, getting to be around the instructors and the staff. So many memories and so much knowledge gained over these 3 months that it's something I will never be able to replicate, and it's something I will never ever forget about. To win the award was just an extremely humbling experience. Just really proud to be here and to have made an impression like this on people who I hold in such high esteem. It's really remarkable, and for them to acknowledge my efforts and my talent, and to present me with this award, just like I said, means more than I can put into words.